That guy just came out of a portal. I should probably kill him right away. Go back down. Check for holes. Find the hole. Can't find the hole. I definitely hit something other than another boat. I'm sloppy. This is my morning coffee. It's time to play a little Sea of Thieves. I gotta do Order of Souls today. I gotta keep taking this ice pack off and on my ankle because I had surgery and it hurt. Since it's just me, I don't really want to do. You know what? We'll try it. I'm gonna lose my ship. Yep. Yep. Come on. We're not off to a good start. Smuggler's Bay. It should be in the same general area, right? Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there's everything we need to fight. Is literally right there. This might be a bad idea. I'm gonna go to that little island and try to find some cannonballs. Go away. What's up, Captain Duke? Captain Duker? Let's go. Stop. No, be nice. Give me your skull. I need it. And cannonballs. Well, mostly I just need cannonballs. I don't even know why you wanted to fight me, Duke. Big Duke. Don't eat bananas. Nope, not whatever. But I'll take this. Alright, Big Duke. You're gonna hang out with me. I'm not solo anymore. I got Big Duke with me. I'm trying. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is going great. Oh, good lord. Okay. Okay, chill out. That first one scared the hell. Oh my god. Stop! Oh my god, I'm sinking and on fire simultaneously. Oh, good lord. Okay. Oh my god, I need some balls. I gotta at least get us towards the fight, right? God, where's the hole? Found you. Okay. Who am I even fighting? Everyone. That one. No, that one. Okay. Is he directly in? Like, I can lean around the mast. Come on. Yep, that's the guy. Oh my god, we are gonna be way too close. I'm gonna hit that island, too. Alright. It's go time, baby! I can't even hit it low. Got it. Okay. Now. We turn the boat. Give a buck. Fix the hole. Grab more wood. I already ran out of the wood I'm holding. Click the balls. Light this dude up. Thing 3? Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, back up here. Turn the boat. Turn the boat way more aggressively. Oh my god, turn the boat. Boat turn. Swing the cannons round. Stop shooting at me. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Okay, got it. Back up. Turn the boat again. That guy just came out of a portal. I should probably kill him right away. Go back down. Check for holes. Find the hole. Can't find the hole. Shoot at ghost pirates instead. How you doing over there, Duke? Oh god, there he is. One, 2, 3. Go back up here. Try not to crash into the island. Where's the island? Okay, this way. Straighten her out. Kind of. That's straight enough. That's what he said. Okay, go. Ready. 1. No cannonballs. This isn't going well. I need to resupply off one of these ships that I wrecked. Oh god. They're shooting spirits at me. They don't even have cannonballs. I might actually have to go on that island or come back later. Nah. Go. Oh, that hurt. Can I hit him one more? No. Hell no. Oh my god, I am really going down now. Okay. We're gonna do one bucket. We're gonna go back in there. That's a big goddamn hole. Why is it? Oh, because he shot me with the screamer. Mother effer. Sharp turn. Pull out my wood. Come back down. Fix the boat. Come back down here. Check the boat. Open this. Eat some nanners. Scoop. Run back up. Dump the water. Get back up here. Grab the wheel. Turn it sharply. Offer Duke a nanner. Duke wants no nanner. Back on the wheel. Trainer out. We're taking this guy out. I definitely hit something other than another boat. I'm gonna lose my ship. Oh, that's the death groan. Yeah, it's sitting on the bottom.